crock-pot, crock-pot, crock-pot,
crock-pot,
garnek, garnek,
cazzarolla,
crock-pot, crackpot,
crackpot,
crock-pot.
And we're back. If you haven't guessed it already, we are doing a video on the crock pot. I've wanted to get one of these for a while, and this is my first time using one in a couple of years. What's interesting about this particular crock pot is that it comes with a baby inside. I don't remember seeing this on the box. It was more than I bargained for, and honestly, I'm just not ready for that kind of commitment. But here we are, and we shall name him his proper Portuguese name of Baby Crack. I'll leave a link in the description box where you can find this crock pot or possibly others. I personally usually just choose the cheapest one that's on sale. This one I purchased with baby and all for around $30. There are fancier ones that have timers and digital displays and stuff, but basic just kind of works for me. Today we're going to make a simple roast, something you can use for sandwiches, into soup, on bread, or beside salad. Because eating salad is, to me, kind of sad. I have a big plate of salad in front of me and I'm always wanting something else, like a piece of meat or maybe a carb or something like that. If you've been there, like this video, because I mean, I love salad, but it's just like, I don't know, sad or something. The beef in question is Angus beef, super unnecessary for this roast. It was just on sale, it's the only beef they had, so I would suggest a cheaper piece of meat, something with a bit of fat to it. It'll come out way better. With this recipe, all the meat pretty much comes out the same, whether it's cheap or expensive or whatever. There's no need to spend a lot. This roast is about 1.25 kilos, enough to fill 2 to 4 people, but basically depending how big your salad is. You can saute your roast in cooking oil, olive oil, butter if you want, any sort of lubricant or fat to get a bit of char on the sides. What that's going to do is give the roast a smoky flavor after, and it's just going to make it taste better. We're going to use half a large onion, we're going to use some garlic and some carrots. Be sure just to smash your garlic, you don't have to cut it up. This way it releases all the flavors inside and doesn't create a solid piece, so you get all that garlicky, tasty flavor. Be sure to try to sear all the sides kind of evenly. It doesn't have to be super even, like you can see this side's pretty burnt, but it's all amazing flavor to me. And then right now we're going to set our slow cooker on high, and it's going to be on high for the first 4 hours. And then the last 2 hours, we're going to turn it back down to low. So it's a 6-hour slow cooker offer thinger. After your searing is done and you've put all your delicious juices back into the crock pot, do not wash your pan, but add about a cup of water to your pan and mix in your bouillon or soup mix. Here I'm using chicken mix. This stuff tastes super bomb. Beef and vegetable is good too, but personally I prefer chicken. So right now we're adding all our mixed veggies that we've cut, onions, garlic, and carrots. We're gonna add our special, I can't remember what to call it, gravy type sauce, and this already smells awesome. After this, we're gonna add some soy, And then a soy, so slow. Okay. And add a liberal amount of cayenne and black pepper. Just give it a light shuffle, nothing too crazy. Make sure some of the vegetables fall down off the meat. Slow cooker is set to high, so we're good with that. Just put it on and set it and forget it. Actually, don't forget it. Put on a 4-hour timer so we know when to flip it, the meat, and then change it to low. Try not to burn yourself too much. And now we play the 6-hour waiting game. After a mild hangover, we're done. The house smells like a chicken made love to a cow covered in buttered garlic while roasting over an open fire. Sexy. Tip, don't buy a black knife because it looks cool. Buy a black knife because it's good. This crappy knife can't even cut the meat. It just falls apart. So I think the plan is just to try to plate it that way. The flavors coming from this juice will just amplify the meat to orgasmic levels. Extra gravy is a must. Cue the porn music. Okay, boring salad. It'll make the dish look a little nicer and make the plate seem a little more healthy. We add some strawberries for dessert, some lemon juice, and chives for looks to make this sex on a plate ready to go. Thanks everyone for watching. This was like really fun to make and it tasted super great. Please feel free to comment any way you think I can make these videos better. I'd love to hear from you. Until the next one. Peace.